Hi there, thank you for watching. This is video number 3, and I thought what I'd like to do in this video is to tell you a little bit about how I come to get involved with Builderall and why I think Builderall is such a good program. But maybe I must go back a little bit. After leaving school, I joined the South African Air Force and spent 4 years doing a technical training there, which actually equipped me very well to the extent that I was able to join IBM. And at that stage, IBM was amongst the top 5 companies in the world as far as money earnings is concerned and size. So IBM was very much the in place to be, and I ended up by spending 18 years with IBM, first of all as a data processing customer engineer, which basically was servicing mainframe computers, and then later went on to the sales side and thoroughly enjoyed that. After that period of time, I decided to form our own company, and we formed a company called Product Office Automation, which essentially created, trained and maintained legal software for attorneys. And this we did for a period of about 12, 13 years. After that, we decided to go into the estate agency business. Actually, it was quite interesting. We ended up down at the coast, in the Natal coast, and I started doing house sitting for one of the Remax agents there. And we enjoyed it so much that my wife and I both became estate agents at that stage. And Remax has served us amazingly over the years. It truly is a remarkable company, and I think I spoke a bit about it in the last video that we made. However, as things happen, last year I had an operation, and the operation didn't go very well, and I had to have a number of emergency operations, and the end result was that I have a slight loss in balance. I can still walk around and so on, and I also get tied on my legs very easily, which has it's affected my ability to get out and see clients and to do the things that I normally used to do. So I turned to the internet with my training in the background, and quite by accident I came across Builderall. And my first reason for looking at Builderall was that I was looking for something that would automate my business, part of my business in real estate. And Builderall does that magnificently. But I also realized that Builderall had the potential for me to earn a residual income alongside my estate agency business. And so I began to utilize that facility as well. So that's basically how I came into using Builderall and how it's busy developing. The program is phenomenal. The people in Builderall are incredible people. Sorry about this, my screen keeps zooming in on me. But what I'd like to tell you is that Builderall has basically been going for about 7 years. In South America, it was developed about a year and a half ago. It moved to the United States and has grown tremendously. They have currently over 100 programmers working round the clock to bring you new facilities and to perfect the various modules that are available on Builderall. So it's quite an amazing product. And I've managed to team up with some of the top agents in Builderall, so I have access to it, and by joining my team you would also have that same access that I have. So you're very welcome to do that. Can you do Builderall? Well, if you have a computer, internet, and a lot of determination, you can do Builderall and you can make it successful. As you can see, the companies that I've worked for and so on, I tend to work for the biggest and the best. And Builderall is going to be one of the biggest and the best. Thank you for your time.